Ever pondered the possibility of stepping into a machine, turning a dial, and walking out into a different era? Time travel, a concept that has intrigued humans for centuries, woven into the fabric of countless novels, films, and theoretical discussions. But could it be more than just a figment of imaginative minds? Time travel, as it's commonly known, is a concept that revolves around the movement between certain points in time, analogous to movement between different points in space, either sending objects or information backwards in time to some moment before the present, or sending it forward into the future without the need to experience the intervening period. Now, you might be thinking, surely this is all just science fiction. However, the world of physics begs to differ. Einstein's theory of relativity, for instance, paints a picture where time and space are intimately connected. Time, as Einstein theorized, is not a constant, but can be affected by speed and gravity. This is known as time dilation, where time seems to pass at different rates depending on your speed or proximity to a gravitational body. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station, traveling at high speeds far from Earth's surface, age slightly slower than people on Earth. This isn't time travel into the future as depicted in movies, but it's a start, isn't it? But what about traveling to the past? Here's where things get a little more complicated. Some solutions to the equations of general relativity do allow for what are known as wormholes, shortcuts through space and time. If it were possible to keep a wormhole stable, then, theoretically, it could be used for time travel into the past. But it's important to note that these are purely theoretical constructs at this point, and there's no empirical evidence to suggest they exist. Now, let's talk about something else. Missing time. It's an intriguing phenomenon where a person seemingly loses track of time, with no memory of what happened during the missing period. Some attribute this to alien abductions or supernatural events, but more often than not, it can be explained by mundane, earthly occurrences such as sleepwalking or the brain's response to traumatic events. So, what have we learned? Time travel, as we understand it, is not entirely within our grasp, yet the laws of physics do allow for some intriguing possibilities. Time dilation shows us that time can be flexible, and wormholes suggest a potential, albeit purely theoretical, means of traveling into the past. Missing time, while often surrounded by mystery and speculation, can usually be explained by natural phenomena. Remember, science is ever evolving, and what seems impossible today may become reality tomorrow. The concept of time travel, while still largely the domain of science fiction, continues to be a fascinating topic of scientific exploration. Who knows what future discoveries might bring? As for now, the time machine remains a dream, but a dream that continues to inspire and capture the imagination of mankind.